Hello, Tuesday dancing. So bit different now. We're gonna be dancing in the living room. Whoop. Yeah, so we're gonna do a warm up like we always do in class, and hope we have a bit of fun and another way of me being able to teach you, which is a bit different as I miss you all. Right, we'll start then. I'll play some music. Okay, so hands together. And then the back of the hands. And then going up one arm. And then going underneath. And then all the way up. Then to the shoulder. And then we're going to tap it down. Keep tapping all the way down. Other side. Make sure you get underneath. All the way up to the shoulder. Rubbing that shoulder. Now squeeze, tap it down. And then back the hands. And waking up that face, tap those cheeks. And give those hands a little shake. Shaking to the side. Shaking to the other side. Shaking down. Now rub that tummy. I'm sure Michael's saying he's got chips in here. Have you got chips in your tummy, Michael? Depends if you've had lunch. Or is it just your breakfast? And then we're going to go down the legs. And to the knees. And then all the way down. And then we're going to come up the backs of the legs. All the way up. To the, where's this, Sarah? Your pen or your bottom? But we say pen or in Tuesday dancing, don't we? Then from there you're going to roll the shoulders back. Now can we roll them forward? Now we're going to roll the wrists. Other way. And then we're going to take your feet slightly wider than your hips, hands on your hips, and circle your hips. Can we draw circles on our hips? All the way around. Keep going, round we go. And then back the other way. Round we go. And then feet together, hands on your knees. And you circle your knees. Then the other way. marching the spot. Picking up those knees. We turn to the right and marching the spot. And then turn the other way. And then back to the centre. And we're going to go again. Turn. Get those knees up. And then back to the centre. And turn to the left. Back to the centre. Are we still marching? Still got that groove on? Turn to the right. Back to the centre. Turn to the left. And we're going from there. I want you to do a big wide stretch. Stretch to those fingertips. Keep stretching, keep stretching. Then we're going to do a big old tall finger stretch. Hold it there. Stretch your fingers up. And then drop it down. Shake it out. And go again. Big and wide. Stretch to those fingertips. And then up. Tall like a pencil. Or like a rocket when you shoot up. Hold it, stretch those fingertips. And then shake it down. Shake it down. I'm going to do that again. Big wide stretch. Stretch those fingertips. I want you to see me wiggling those fingertips so we do a big shake. And then feet together, up like a pencil or rocket. It's up to you. You do a pencil and then a rocket. And then shake it out. Shake that one leg. Shake one arm. Shake the other arm. Shake one leg. Shake the other. Shake the pedal, isn't it, Sarah? That's what we want to do. Are we shaking it? And we'll do that once more. We know what we're doing, that big wide stretch. Stretch those fingertips. And then stretch up. And then shake it out. Shake it out. Shake one arm. Shake the other arm. Shake one arm. Shake the other. And then shake the pedal. And then we're going to march to the spot. Now we're going to do our shakes that we've done in class before. Where we do 8 into the middle, 8 up, 8 down, and this time we're going to do 8 to the side. Yeah? Then we'll do 4, then 2, then 1. Okay, so I'm going to put a different piece of music on. Right, we're ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now march. So remember what we're doing now? 4. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now march it. so this time we're going to do 2. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, take it up. 1, 2, and down. 1, 2, and out. 1, 2, march. I think we'll try 2 again. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2, march. Now 1, in, up, down, and out. In, up, down, out. And again, in, up, down, and out. One more. In, up, down, and out. March. Go back to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 4, 3, 2, and down. 4, 3, 2, and out. 4, 3, 2. Now 2. 1, 2. Up, 2. Down, 2. Out, 2 again. In, 2. Up, 2, down, 2, out. Now single. In, up, down, and out. In, up, down, and out. And again. In, up, down. One more time. In, up, down, and out. March. Okay. Right, so our next track, what we're going to do, we're going to move around the space now, yeah? And remember, we've done it in class where we walk for 4, 2, 3, 1, and bounce. 2, 3, 4, and walk. 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 2, 3, 4. Now you can use all the space that you've got and try it out. So I'll put some groovy music on for us to have a little go with. I think that's a bit fast, isn't it? This is a bit better one, bit of slow pace. Ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, bounce. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bounce. 2, 3. You can walk backwards. 2, 4, bounce. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce. 2. Maybe go sideways. 1, 2, 4, and bounce. 2, 3, and backwards. 1, 2, 4, and bounce. 2, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, bounce. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and bounce. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and bounce. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bounce. 2, 3, 1, 2, 4. This time we're going to wiggle instead of bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wiggle. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And wiggle. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You're wiggling, wiggle. 2, 3, 1, two, three, four, and wiggle, two, one, two, four, wiggle, two, three, one, two, three, four, wiggle, two, three, four, one, two, four, wiggle, two, three, four, one, two, three, four, wiggle. Now we're going to do the two together. 1, 2, 3, now bounce, bounce, 2, 4, walk, 2, 3, now wiggle, wiggle, 2, 3, 4, walk, 2, 3, 4, and bounce, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, 4, wiggle, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2, 3, 4, walk, 2, 3, 4, wiggle, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, bounce, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, wiggle, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, bounce, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, wiggle, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, wiggle. This time you get to freestyle. Walk, 2, 3, 4. Do anything you like. And walk, 2, 3, 4. Walk, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How's the freestyling going? Now we're going to do put the 3 together. You ready for this? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Now bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk. 2, 3. Now wiggle. Walk. 2, 3. Then freestyle. And walk. 2. And bounce. And walk. 4. And wiggle. 2, 4. Walk. 2, 4. Freestyle. Walk, 2, 4, bounce, 2, 3, walk, 2, 3, 4, wiggle, 2, 4, walk, 2, 4, freestyle, bounce, walk, wiggle, 4, freestyle, 1, 2, 3, bounce, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like a little low disco in your living room. 1, 2, 3, 4, freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4, bounce, 2. Oh, fantastic. Right, we're going to do a little warm-up routine, which we'll do the following week as well. So we start off, we're going to do 8 claps, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then kick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4. While bending the knees. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're back to the clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms, bend the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fab. Right, should we do it to some music? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms, bend the knees. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for a little walk. Grab room. Keep using the whole space. Ready, back to the start. Here we go. Clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Swing the arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go for a little walk. And go for a bit of a groove instead of walk. Grooving it out. You grooving it out? Ready? We'll go back to the start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bend the knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry. Show a little bit of a groove to this while it's on. Get those pedals wiggling.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody in the car, so come on, let's ride to the liquor store around the corner. The boy said he wants some gin and juice, but I really don't wanna. Feel buzz like I had last week. I must stay, keep just talking.
Just groove it out. Let's have a bit of freestyle time.
And as I continue, you know it gets sweeter. So what can I do? I really beg you, my lord. To me, flirting is just like a sport. Anything fly, it's all good. Let me jump in and sing it the trumpet. A little bit of Monica in my life. A little bit of Erica by my side. A little bit of Rita, all I need. A little bit of Tina's what I see.
Let's wiggle that bone.
Sandra in the sun. A little bit of Mary all night long. A little bit of Jessica, here I am. A little bit of you makes me
Are we liking the groove in freestyle? I feel like I don't want to stop the music, so should we keep going? And shake some shoulders. We're going to shake some shoulders, that one. Should we freeze? Freeze. And then
Jump
two.
up and down and move it all around. Shake your hand to the sound, put your hands on the ground. Take one step left and one step right. One to the front and one to the side. Clap your hands once and clap your hands twice. And make it look like this when you're doing it.
Are we still freezing? Freestyle? Ooh, look at my sunshine. I hope you're all dancing in your hall, or wherever you are. I'm watching. We're giving that pedal a little wiggle. Are we wiggling that pedal? Should we play the trumpet? Can you take it down? Should we freeze? And freeze. I feel like a kid again dancing in the living room. Woo! Do some shoulders. Can you shake those shoulders? Pedal. Get that trumpet. Other side. And then should we freeze? Oh, that was a bit of off the cuff stuff. Fab. Right. I have actually planned some dancing, and we're going to do a bit of Queen. So I thought what we're going to start with is 8 claps, because we want the crowd to get going, because it's Queen playing, obviously. So we're going to do 8 claps, and then you're going to play your guitar. Now you can decide which way you want to play your guitar, either your left or your right-handed. So you're going to play the guitar, yeah? And then after playing the guitar, what else have we got in a rock band? The drums. So you're going to hit the drums, yeah? And then we need a singer. So you're going to sing it out, sing it out, sing it out, and then you're going to strike a pose. So let's just start that. So you're going to get the crowd started by clapping. We're going to do 8 of these. And as you've got the crowd going, then we're going to play the guitar. And after the guitar comes the drums. Got the drum. And then we're gonna start singing, sing it, sing it, sing it. And then we're gonna strike a pose. Yeah. Right, should we try it to some music? I think we got this. Alright, here we go. Let me get my playlist. Here we go. Right. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Play the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sing. And then we're going to strike pose. Woo! That's the dust. Dun, dun, dun. Right, do you know what? I think what we're going to do is clap for 4 and then start the guitar a bit earlier. Right, let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, drum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6. And strike pose. Right, should we try that again? Are we ready? Drums. Sing. Strike pose. Bring up pose down. Boom, boom, boom. Right, I'm going to try that once more and then I'm going to give you a little task to do, okay? So, here we go. 2, 3, 4, guitar. Drums. Sing. Strike a pose. Then bring the point down. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, so from here, what I'd like you to do is, you're gonna, after you strike a pose, you're gonna walk to your partner, and then I want you to pick. You're either gonna play the guitar or play the drums with your partner. Yeah, so you need to decide which one you're gonna do. Do, 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 do. Which one? And after that, you're gonna pick a pose to strike after it. So after you've played your instrument, you're gonna pick a pose to strike, okay? So have a little chat now with your partner and see what you want to do. Yeah, so I'll give you some time. Do, 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 do. And I'll put the music on so you can have a little play, try it out. So you do it to this bit, so whichever you pick, so say I pick the drums. And pose. Yeah, so try it again. So. So you're with your partner. Pick your instrument. Then pose. Bam. Right, should we try it with the music? Yeah, from the start. Ready with our claps? Here we go. 3, 4, guitar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Drums. Sing. Pose. Breathe down. Now walk to your partner. Remember which instrument you picked. going to try it once more, and then I want to start another song, but only the intro to it, okay? Because we'll only do a little bit of that one, because we've done a bit more of this. Guitar. Drums. Six. Play your drums or your guitar. Pose. Yay, we got it. Woo. Okay, so I thought, because we've done Queen, I've got to do ABBA, and I know you all like ABBA. So we're just going to quickly just start this one, and we'll carry on with it on our next session. So to start, okay, you're going to sway, and then when the piano bit goes, ba-dum, 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 yeah, and then you sway again, do, 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 do. We'll just give it a go. It's easier with the music than me singing. Are you ready on piano? Right, let's try that again. Sway. Yeah, so you guessed it. So you're going to move to your partner. After the second sway, you're going to go to your partner. You're going to go back to back. And you're going to go, you can dance. You can dance. And then you're going to face your partner. Hold hands. And then you're going to sway. Having the time of your life. Yeah? Okay? Right. So we're going to try that from the start of the music. Ready to sway? Then walk to your partner, back to back, and point, face your partner, and hold hands and sway. See that girl, watch that sea, digging the dancing queen. We're going to do it once more before we finish. Sway. Oh, and it's not played. There we go. Sway. Piano. Boom. And walk to your partner. And back to back. And we go. And then face your partner. Hold hands and you sway. And then ocean. Oh, the little piano bit there. We'll have to add that on next week. Fab! Great stuff. So we're just going to do a little cool down now. I'll just get some music on for a cool down. Okay, so just roll your shoulders. And then roll your wrists nice and slow. one foot back, bend that front leg, back leg is straight and nice and lifted. And then turn your feet and then a wide stretch from fingers to fingers like that, so some. Then step it together and then take the other foot back, back leg straight, front legs bent, feet pointing forward, nice and lifted. Then turn out, reach wide. And feet together, reach up and drop. Again, reach up and drop. And give me one hand, the other hand, and give yourself a clap. Thank you for dancing with me today. Hope to see you all next time. Take care, stay safe. Thank you, bye.